Hello everyone and welcome. Today, in this tutorial, I will share how to design a poster like this in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go. First thing, let's set up our document. We are going to use a 1700 by 2400 pixels in RGB mode and press Create. Perfect. Next, let's select the Type tool and click on Artboard to activate it. Scale it up and write your letter of your choice. I'm going to use the letter A. Then let's go to the character menu and choose a nice font. I'm going to use Helvetica Neue in medium and scale it up. Then right click and create outlines and change the color to a cool light gray. Now let's go to the top menu, select Effects, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic and choose Extrude and Bevel Classic. Now let's make a custom rotation to your liking. Then let's increase the extrude depth and on a cap we'll turn it off to create a hollow appearance and press OK. Now let's select our 3D letter, go to Object and choose Expand Appearance and scale it again. Select our letter again and right click and select Ungroup. Do this twice so it's 100% ungrouped. And now it's time to add some color. Let's go to Window, Swatches Libraries, Art History and select the Middle Ages. Feel free to use any other color library or choose your own colors. But before we start, let's create a new layer and name it Background. And then let's go to our left side toolbar and select the rectangle tool. And let's make a rectangle of the same size as our artboard. And then let's apply a darker color to it. Now let's apply some colors to the letter A. Let's select the face and change it from solid color to a gradient. And on a gradient window, let's change its type to freeform gradient. Now let's select one of the gradient points. If you want to choose your own colors, you can just double click over the little point and the color menu will open. And here you can customize and select your own colors. Now let's paint the first face of the letter and repeat the same process all over our design. And you should have something like this. Great. Now let's add the grid graphic behind the letter. Let's return to our left side toolbar and select our rectangle grid tool. Let's click twice on it to open the tool options and increase the number of horizontal and vertical dividers. Then let's select the background layer and make a perfect squared grid and align it to the artboard. You can add text on the corners of the design to make it a little bit more stylish, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.